We came to Chili's. Let's see how many cheese pulls we can get. We're doing the Nashville hot first. First bite's for you. First one was pretty good, but let's see if we can do better. Dip it some more in that beautiful ranch. This bite's for me. Now for the hot honey rub. Look at how much that glistens. That's actually crazy. It's a little upsetting, but it's not the end of the world. Another Nashville hot. Cheers. Oh. What are some other foods with diabolical cheese pulls? I hope everyone agrees that Nashville hot is the best flavor. This bite's for you. Some more of the hot honey rub. Let's see if this last one does us any justice. Cheers. Out of the 6 mozzarella sticks, we only got 2 cheese pulls. This feels like the end of the world. If you order the shareable mozzarella sticks, you don't have to order a second cup of ranch.